Arwakini machiegni nyinga Milton Ochieng. Bura mathicho kwe apisi migosi Rigathi Gachagua iwicho kawuono kende doho ma Milimani. Wadhi ane achiel kachiel nyaka doho ma Milimani wawinj kaka bura no chalo.
The three reliefs that I can summarize in the consolidated petition as re-amended are these: that the first petitioner was impeached under a procedure that violated Article 27, 50, and 152 of the Constitution. These are equality before the law, which my learned colleague has elaborately stated, fair hearing, and specific procedure for removal of a deputy president. But two, that the standing orders number 64 and 65 of the National Assembly Standing Orders, 6th edition, as well as standing orders number 78 and 79 of the Senate, as applied, offend, my Lord and my Lady, Article 152 of the Constitution, the very provision that prescribes how an impeachment is supposed to be conducted. My Lords, the impeachment proceedings against the first petitioner was triggered by a political fallout between him and the sixth respondent, the President of the Republic of Kenya, as opposed to a genuine existence of any of the grounds set out under Article 150, 1B of the Constitution. The proceedings, my Lord and my Lady, before the National Assembly and the Senate were conducted in violation of the substantive and procedural provisions set out or envisaged under our Constitution.
Jatend piny William Ruto owalo ayanga Jayal Bura Mohamed Warsame kaka achiel kuom joyal buche